Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show dal, which is simple dal tadka, very famous and goes very well with rice. So let's get started. I've taken masoor dal, which is 250 gram. First, what you have to do is you need to wash the dal at least 3 times by changing the water. So dal I've already washed. Now let's start with the cooking process. So now once the pan is hot, add oil, saute garlic and ginger. Ginger is half an inch chop, and garlic I've added 8 clove chop. Let it saute for a while. Once that is saute, add onion. I've taken 2 medium. Let this saute for a while. Now once onion is saute, add tomato, which is 1 medium chop. Let this cook for a while, for at least 3 minutes. So now once this is ready, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 green chilli slit, and add dal to this. Now add water. And let it simmer. Keep the flame on low once it starts to simmer, and let the dal cook. Add salt. Mix well. Keep the flame on low and cover this and let the dal cook. Guys, check this out. This has been simmering. It's ready now. Dal is already cooked. Check the consistency also. You need at least for 250 gram you need 1 liter of water basically. So now we'll keep this on the side and let's do the tadka, which is tempering. Now once the pan is hot, add oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Two curry leaves. Two sprigs. And 3 of dry red chillies. Just make them half. Now what you have to do is add 1 ladle of dal. Let this cook for a while. Let it become mushy. And this I'm going to add it to the dal. Mix it well and let it simmer for at least 2 minutes. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. Mix it well. Check the seasoning. Dal has become very nice. Guys, try this recipe and you all will love this. I'm going to turn off the flame. Look how beautiful it looks. Check the color. This is how dal is made, and you can try this recipe and you will definitely get it this right.